What's going on in there? You getting your stuff delivered still? What is this? I thought we were building our own kitchens.
This is looking so fabulous.
When I'm done, everyone's gonna love it.
Stop it, get out, get out.
Do you have a big agenda today?
I have a giant agenda for today. What about you?
I think you should be nervous, first of all.
Nervous?
Uh-huh.
Why should I be nervous?
Because my kitchen is coming along pretty nice.
Whoa!
Feast your eyes.
This is beautiful. I love the green, it's timeless.
Do you feel comfortable? Doesn't it feel like it's just right?
Oh, it's almost just right because this is the winning kitchen over here. It's beautiful, it's modern.
I know what you've been up to over there.
Look at this, look at this giant island, my countertops. Delivery.
Oh, Deborah.
What?
Hold up.
What? Oh, another one?
I gotta get these kitchens finished. Now, all of a sudden, we have another challenge, but this one's a mini challenge.
Thank goodness, because I can't deal with another big challenge. Just a little tiny speed bump.
You will race to assemble the mystery flat pack in front of you. Once built, they must be incorporated into your final kitchen design. On your marks, get set. Wait, what did you get? What are you assembling? Yours is different.
Mine is the Nisa 4s. What's yours?
I have Raskog.
Oh, the Raskog. I gotta see this. I just don't believe you. Once built, they must get incorporated into your final kitchen design. Okay, ready?
I'm ready. Sleeves
Okay.
are up.
Set, go.
Hey, excuse me.
Okay, it's only like 4 steps.
4 steps for yours?
Okay. Oh my God, this is so easy.
Get out of here. Get out of here.
So easy. Things started getting tired. My neck, my knees were on the floor. I'm crouched over. The things aren't working.
You're making it sound hard. Don't worry, when I'm done, I'll help you. This basically builds itself. I might take a nap while it puts itself together.
Okay, that's fine.
Hey, Deborah.
What? Oh, please.
Under the leg, left hand.
Enough.
You want to see how that
So
works?
over you.
Look at that. Look at that. Deborah, look at.
You know what? I got a
What?
problem here.
I know.
Big trouble.
What if
Doomed. I'm doomed.
I feel like Houston, we got a problem over here.
What?
I have an extra piece.
Maybe you got to go back to the beginning.
Well, I'm getting close. Top shelf happening over here. Deb, how are you doing? Deborah, you might want to see this move. It's a signature move. Deborah. It's done. What? Cheating!
Mark was so lovely. He stepped right in, seamlessly swapped spots.
You know what? You can bring in all the backup you want. My skills in the IKEA assembly, it's like I could do it in my sleep. The bolts and the nuts started turning.
It was like
and
magic.
it was like bibbity bobbity bar cart.
You know what? I'll give you this. You could win the bar cart challenge, and I'll win the kitchen challenge.
We'll find out soon enough. I am just installing the last of my integrated lighting, which is going to give me a competitive advantage over Deborah. Let there be light. And to top it all off, I've got the glass doors. So they can be used as a display case and get that high-end premium look without the high-end premium price tag. Looks so nice, I decided to do it twice. Matching it on the lowers here, taking them right to the countertop. Maximizing storage, maximizing my space, and making sure that this end of the kitchen run, well, really ends on a high note here. Appliances in place, fixtures in place. I've got some pretty savvy bells and whistles in there that makes my space feel premium. And when the judge walks through my space, they're gonna know I've got the premium kitchen. This is it. This is the winning piece right here.
This is looking so good. I'm definitely gonna win, eh? I used integrated appliances in my kitchen, and so I needed to add some open shelved cabinetry to really break that up. So that's where my display shelves are really gonna shine in tomorrow's evaluation. So not only is it 6 inches deep, so it can really go anywhere, it is functional. I've added so much added storage to this kitchen. Pop of color. I also love these containers. They keep everything fresh. Martini shaker, yes please. You know, and I could really express myself through the accessories. So not only is it functional, you know, I could add some fun elements as well. And I think that helps break up all of the hard finishes in a kitchen. Perfect. So when you're cooking, you can go over here, you can grab a little rosemary. You got a few mugs, coffee press, always. Buying accessories at IKEA is one of my favorite things to do because they literally have everything. So this only being 6 inches allows me to still have so much space in my kitchen. You know, it doesn't really impede on anything. So not only did I put this in the kitchen, but you could use this in offices, anywhere else in the house where you need that extra storage, but you don't really have the space. Okay, I need to go grab more accessories. It's gonna be close call. There are design elements in both kitchens that are lovely and beautiful and unique. I think it's gonna come down to who can sell it best, but I do think I'm gonna win.
I'm glad that Debra and I have taken different approaches to our kitchen. And I don't want to say that she's going to lose, but it's likely that I'm going to win. Next time on the IKEA Kitchen Showroom Showdown. This competition has never been as intense as it is right now.
I am feeling really confident going into reveal day.
You're standing in the winning kitchen, EJ.
And the winner is...